What's up you guys, it's Keana and today I'm partnering with FabFitFun. If you've never seen my face before, yes, I'm Keana. It's spelled like Keana. Every substitute teacher that I've ever had, they've all called me Keana. It's pretty unfortunate. Anyway, I'm super excited to show you guys what I got from them. They sent me a free editor's box and I'm so thankful. This is just a really cute box, first of all. And basically, FabFitFun is just like a subscription service where you kind of customize your own box and you get sent like makeup, fashion related stuff, and like fitness related. All those things I love doing and promoting on my channel. And I'm really excited to open it on camera. Let's crack this bad boy open. So I already like broke the seal with, yeah, I did, okay. Okay. This whole box smells good. How cute. All things FabFitFun. So this is what is in the box. Oh, I'm about to dive in. The first thing is this Summer in Rose, and it's such a cute little pink box. It even has like a marble effect on the back. Ooh, these look like they're some kind of like earring. They're really pretty. They're like a rose gold. I'm always into like trying new jewelry because I don't really own much jewelry. Yeah, these are earrings. These are super cute. I'm just obsessed with rose gold and I think these are really nice. They're just like that simple kind of like dainty look, but they're just like a nice touch to your outfit. Okay, the next thing that I see says makeup drop. Ooh, okay. A silicone makeup applicator. And guys, I've literally always wanted to try one of these. I see them on Instagram. It's like a teardrop thingy-mabobber. I love the feeling of silicone. It's just ready to stick that in my boob. Applicator, I'm super excited just to like use this. I've heard that it like works really well for foundation, just like really smooth application. So we'll see how this works, but I'm super excited to try this. Oh my god, it's just really fun to squish. I really like squishy things. Okay, the next thing that I got is Spongele Bulgarian Rose. It's a body wash infused buffer. Really cute packaging, like look how cute that is. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, massages. Let's look at this thing. It smells so good. It's really cool. I'm super excited to try this and I'm just obsessed with the smell. And the packaging is really adorable. I feel like I'm acting weird. I'm acting weird. Next thing is shadow palette. Ooh, I've been wanting to get more makeup and this is just perfect because I get makeup. This is called the Real Her Playbook. This is paraben free, it's vegan. I'm really into trying vegan products even though I'm not vegan. Yeah, you can kill me if you want. I like chicken a lot and I like fish, so. Like I said, I'm always down to try new makeup, so I'm super excited to see what, I keep saying I'm excited, obviously I'm excited. I love palettes. My mom has a lot of different palettes, like eyeshadow palettes, and whenever I'm home I like to just take them and use them, but when I go back to school I don't have really any eyeshadows, so this is nice that I can get a new one. The thing looks really sleek. Oh, beautiful. Look at these colors, this is perfect for what I've been wanting. I've been really wanting to get some more plum shadows. This is gonna be fun to use. So that's this little palette. This again is the Real Her Shadow Palette. Yeah. This next thing, it's a little bit dusty. I think it's from like the packaging inside, but this is called Muscle Soak Himalayan Salt. So I'm assuming this is like bath salts and also a nice snack. I'm totally kidding. Himalayan salt is overall just like a pretty color, but the next thing in this box is the Wish. This is the Nourishing Dew Mask, and this is just to hydrate your skin and stuff like that. I love trying face products because I don't really use face products. A lot of you guys ask about my skincare routine because like I don't really get pimples very often, but my skincare routine is so basic. It's just like my hair care routine. I barely do anything, so I don't really want to film a whole video on it, but if you guys still want one. Yeah, since I don't use many products, I'm always wanting to try new ones. This is what it looks like. Try it out, give it a go. Okay, there are two more things left in this box. The next thing is this thing. Honestly, I don't know what this is. It says private party. Ooh, it's a tote bag. Okay, this is cute. Meet me at the bar, and it's like bars and like the workout bar. I've never tried like actual workout classes really. I've done CrossFit when I was a kid, when I was like a little ripped kid, and now I'm not. It's literally every YouTuber just loves it apparently, or maybe that's just Monica Church. This is a cute little tote bag. This will be perfect just to bring to the beach because I always just bring my backpack to the beach. Perfect, it's a nice little size. It would hold my towel and all my essentials. And the last thing in this thing is a BB Dakota. Okay, it's a black poncho. Ponchos are pretty sick. This is nice. It's actually super like nice material. Yeah, this is super nice. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about everything that I got, and I'm super thankful that FabFitFun decided to partner up with me and give me a free editor's box. I'm super thankful. This has just been really nice. I love trying new products and everything like that and telling you guys about everything. That is about it. I hope you guys liked watching this video. If you have any questions about this company or literally any questions you want to ask me about anything in general, like life. If you guys have any video requests, let me know, because I'm super down to like try as many things as I can this semester. I'm super on my YouTube grind right now. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.